We were told that everything would be taken care of.
It seemed too good to be true.
It was a very bad decision in the end.
A health insurance company has left thousands of retired first responders on the hook for major medical bills.
Bills the Thin Blue Line Benefits Association should have paid.
News 5 investigator Sarah Buttison has covered complaints about this company for months.
Tonight, she is following through on how it caused catastrophic financial problems for policyholders.
Okay, Sarah, some have hundreds of thousands of dollars in unpaid bills.
They do, Rob, and retired first responders and their spouses, like the one you're about to meet, don't know if or when Thin Blue Line will pay their claims.
This one's $1,500, this one's $700 something.
Each piece of paper, a medical bill,
They're just everywhere all the time.
mailed to Lori Mino's Menor home.
If you add it all up, I'll be working till I'm in my grave.
Bills she never expected to pay.
But it's really like theft of our hard-earned money.
So why is she on the hook? It all started in 2020. The Thin Blue Line Benefits Association was created in Texas. Its goal, to fill the gap between retirement and age 65 for first responders, who often leave their jobs years before they qualify for Medicare.
They're going to take care of us for the rest of our lives. No big deal. Yeah, no.
Her family signed up after her husband retired from the Willoughby Hills Police Department. They heard good reviews from friends. It even had the endorsement of the Ohio Fraternal Order of Police.
At first, it was fine. I mean, it was actually nice.
But then, last fall, Thin Blue Line stopped paying their medical bills. She says they owe about $15,000.
It's just added extra stress to how do we pay this bill or this bill? Do we pay this medical bill because they didn't? Or do we, spend that $600 on groceries for the month?
At the same time, Thin Blue Line kept collecting their monthly premium, over $2,500 a month.
For what? You're not a company anymore. You're just a bunch of liars.
The Minos aren't alone. So far, the state says it has received 444 complaints, which led Ohio to file this lawsuit in June. The lawsuit says a retired deputy sheriff owes at least $150,000 in medical bills because Thin Blue Line didn't pay. A retired firefighter, over $300,000.
So who was watching out for consumers?
In this case, nobody was watching out.
Sharona Hoffman is a law professor at Case Western Reserve University and expert in health law.
This somehow fell between the cracks.
It turns out the Texas-based company was operating without a license in Ohio and Arizona. But because the insurance was marketed online directly to retired first responders, state regulators didn't know until it was too late.
They're busy enough investigating misconduct on the part of insurers they know about.
After the complaint was filed, a judge blocked Thin Blue Line from doing business in Ohio and put the Department of Insurance in charge of their books.
Does it mean consumers' unpaid bills will be paid?
Not necessarily.
Whatever money Thin Blue Line has will likely go to customers' claims. But if it runs out, policyholders, like the Minos, will be left holding the bag.
It legitimately is a big pile of, and this isn't even half of them.
It's not only these bills that bother Lori.
I think that it was, sorry.
Her youngest daughter, Emily, underwent knee surgery 2 years ago. She needs follow-up care for pain, but her surgeon won't see her because of their outstanding bills.
As a mom, it's the worst.
Bills Thin Blue Line was supposed to pay.
It's almost like we're on the blacklist there because they didn't pay.
So what does Thin Blue Line have to say? We reached out to President and CEO Anna Reed. The company's attorney emailed us a response. It says, in part, it's cooperating with the Ohio Attorney General and Department of Insurance to ensure healthcare providers receive prompt payment. But payments may be delayed due to complications like claims systems issues.
Yeah, prompt being the word there. I think what's so difficult for you when you're watching this, these are the people who took care of us, now seeing them not being taken care of.
And that is the frustration for a lot of those retired first responders. They had been used to having municipal health insurance and had never encountered anything like this before.
Well, you're caring about it. I know you'll stay on it and keep us updated and let us know when these payments should start happening.
I will.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that.
I know. I don't, Sarah Buttison. Thank you so much.